dramatic. Destroyer. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. The operator of the old caterpillar is trying to transport a massive log, but the weight is so overwhelming that the machine suddenly nosedives into the ground. The sound of metal screeching, dust everywhere, and everything shaking like it's about to collapse. After the heart-stopping opening, the scene becomes even more intense as the brave worker takes the chainsaw to cut through the massive logs. Each cut is full of danger, the roar of the machine blasting through the air, with pieces of wood flying like fragments of tension.
There she goes.
Next, the massive 1,800mm excavator saw roars, slicing through large red gum logs like cutting through bamboo. The sharp blade cuts through the thick wood grain, creating a powerful scene full of strength and precision. Witnessing the scene of the Fekin Stump X stump grinder with its powerful engine, enormous horsepower, and a roar that shakes the sky. The hardened steel grinding blade cuts through each tree stump as if tearing apart everything in front of it, with dust flying everywhere, and the machine's power feels unstoppable. Wow, it's unbelievable. Watching the D7E48A machine with its enormous horsepower engine, I can't help but be amazed. Its unbeatable power can push a large tree stump with ease, effortlessly taking down massive trees. The roar of the engine echoes, making everything tremble under its strength. Just looking at the D9G, I can't help but be impressed. With its powerful engine, it effortlessly plows through any obstacles. The massive blade moves forward, tearing through the ground and pushing back all barriers. The engine roars loudly, and each pass is like a storm, breaking everything in its path. If you're passionate about powerful heavy machinery in action, don't forget to hit like or subscribe to follow this exciting journey. Can't take my eyes off this sight. The Caterpillar 527 log skidder, with its powerful engine, roars as it pulls long logs into the landing zone. Its sturdy tracks glide over tough terrain, effortlessly dragging massive logs, creating a powerful, impressive scene. Oh, the Volvo 7-ton machine with its powerful engine, cutting wood quickly and with incredible precision. The sharp blade effortlessly slices through the wood, each cut strong and decisive, creating an impressive scene full of power and outstanding performance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a truly impressive machine. The Meber SLH 1200 wood peeler with its huge horsepower engine roars, tearing away the wood bark in the blink of an eye. The powerful, imposing sight makes everything seem to be torn apart. Check out the CBI 6800 BT with its powerful engine devouring a massive palm tree. The huge cutting blade crushes every branch, and the engine roars like a monster. The palm tree is pulled in within seconds, creating a magnificent sight. Truly a technological marvel. The Baker 3674DD with its powerful engine slices through wood as smoothly as cutting through bamboo. The sharp blade glides through the wood, creating perfect cuts. The machine's superior power makes every task easy and precise.
The Norwood Portamill is a handy, unique, and low-cost sawmill.
Focus up, don't miss this incredible machine. The Norwood Portamill PM14 chainsaw mill with its powerful engine cuts wood into smooth planks quickly and precisely.
The power of your chainsaw will dictate the diameter and species of log. The bigger the saw, the bigger diameter log that can be milled.
Each cut is perfect, with outstanding performance, creating a seam full of power and finesse.
The Portamill comes with a graduated scale with built-in components makes it easy to store because of its lightweight and anywhere in the world, including right to your door.
It's such a dramatic scene as the old tractor roars, pulling a massive stump from a depth of 1.5 meters. The tracks dig into the ground, dust flying up in a cloud, with each crackling sound echoing. The whole space seems to tremble from its relentless power. You'll definitely be amazed when you see it. The wood chipper weighs about 57,320 pounds, with a 900 HP engine, capable of shredding logs with a diameter of up to 900 millimeters, processing up to 250 cubic meters per hour. Its power and outstanding performance turn every task into child's play. Can you believe it? The JCB 3CX 2000 excavator with its powerful engine roars as it tries to topple a massive tree. The sturdy tracks dig deep into the ground. The arm lifts, applying tremendous pressure. The tree shakes, with each forceful push seeming to conquer every obstacle in its path.
Çıkmaya başladı. Aynen nefes alıyor. Devriliyor.
The powerful Equus 175N skidder with its strong engine pulls massive logs across challenging terrain. The sturdy tracks grip the ground, roaring as it overcomes every obstacle, proving its absolute strength on any path. Our wood peeler, weighing up to 16,534 pounds, is capable of efficiently peeling massive logs. With its powerful capacity and optimized design, it handles logs ranging from 7.9 inches to 21.7 inches in diameter, delivering outstanding performance. Oh my gosh, the overloaded timber truck is struggling on extreme terrain. It's so intense. With a weight of up to hundreds of tons, each heavy wheel moves, creating a scene full of power and challenge. Leave a comment or a like if you love this journey and continue supporting us.